Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream keychain, easy method. Gather silicone molds, polymer clay, gloss varnish, key rings, and basic tools. Condition and color clay, shape a cone and scoop, attach a bale, bake, or cure per clay instructions, sand and seal with gloss, then add the key ring. Take your time shaping details and mixing colors for realistic swirls. Work on a clean surface and keep small pieces away from children. Here are the essential materials you will need to make a cute ice cream keychain. Start with polymer clay in at least 2 colors, a small silicone mold, eye pins, gloss varnish, and sandpaper. Also have a craft knife, baking tray or toaster oven-safe dish, fine files, and a jump ring or key ring on hand. Work near good lighting and keep a small brush for varnish ready and a heat-resistant mat for safety. Quick recommendation: if you like handy craft tools, subscribe and like if this video is helpful. I love the Oala water bottle for long crafting sessions. It keeps drinks cold and fits in most cup holders, a perfect studio companion. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one to stay hydrated while you craft. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these steps to craft your ice cream keychain with confidence. Condition clay until soft, color and shape a cone base, then form a small scoop and texture the surface for realism. Insert an eye pin into the scoop, bake or cure according to clay type, then sand and apply 2 thin coats of gloss varnish. Attach a jump ring or key ring and let everything dry fully before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.